Hello, my name is Juan Daniel Carvajal Hernandez and I am of the course of 7C and I prepare two delicious recipes to enter Persian class. Two first recipe is a delicious avocado salad. To the recipe we need some ingredients: avocado, tomato, onion, and leche. Next, cut the avocado into slices very small and put in a recipient. And this is the result of avocado. And next, cut the tomato into cubes very small and put in a recipient. And this is the result. And the next is onion and put in a recipient, and this is the result. And then the lettuce, put the avocado in a bowl, the tomato, the onion, and the lettuce. Then revolve the mix. And this is the result of the mix. And next, we're going to put a little of salt and mix. And if necessary, you can put more salt or minor salt. This is the result, and we can wait. It's delicious and you can enjoy in your house with no many quantity of money. Thank you. Then we're going to the second recipe. To this recipe we need some ingredients. In this recipe we need one aracacha, and I use this aracacha because this recipe is delicious. The second, 1 tablespoon of oil. The third, salt, and no more. For this preparation, we could peel the aracacha, and next, cut the aracacha into slices. This is wait. And it's the finally part. And put the parts in a recipient, and this is the parts. Next, we put a tablespoon of oil in the aracachas. Next, put the aracacha in the air fryer to 118 degrees Fahrenheit, and put salt. And next, the time is to 12 minutes to 15 minutes. And in this part, you put the aracacha, and that put in the air fryer. And remember to shake the aracacha in the half time of the time. With technical problems, we need to continue in the kitchen. And is this the air fryer and finish. Remember, you stay the air fryer at the middle of the time, and we're going to look our delicious chips of Aracacha. These are the chips of Aracacha. Delicious. I prefer this that this. I prefer this to this. It's more natural and not have that many conservation. Excuse me, are delicious. But thank you for your attention in this video.